All right, guys, welcome. Good evening. We'll start. Are you guys ready? So nothing more, nothing less. Tonight, nothing fancy. We'll be talking about, this is a regular onboarding call every Friday, 8 p.m. at PH time. So ang purpose po sa event na ito is nina-guide natin yung mga na newly enrolled kung paano po ma-access yung mga tools na ginagawa natin so that makapagsimula kayo. And by the way, I'll be sharing a little bit, and after that we'll do Q&A. Please prepare your questions kung saan kayo na-stuck, kung saan kayo naguguluhan, kung saan kayo gustong matulungan. Kasi this is the purpose of the community, is to help you, because trading alone itself, it's complicated kung ikaw lang mag-isa. Okay, kaya nga nandito yung economy, plus may mga tools tayo. You don't need to go to the battle alone. So, nonetheless, I would like to congratulate you for taking risk, because hindi lahat, yung forex hindi ito pala sa lahat. Para lang ito sa mga risk taker. Sabi nga ng isang kasabihan that only fortune favors the brave. Fortune favors the brave. Wala ko nakitang financially successful na hindi siya risk taker or safe lang, yung safe zone lang siya. Mostly mga financially successful, grabe yan kung mag-risk. And eventually, sometimes, or may mga reward din naman yung risk na ginagawa natin if it is done right. Okay, and of course, sa blessing na rin ni Lord. All right. To start with, let me share my entire screen with you. Okay. All right. Sino dito yung mga one week old or 1 week old below? Or sino dito yung mga 2 weeks old? 1 week below, can you type number 1? 2 weeks old, can you type number 2? And then 1 month, can you type number 3? Magma 1 month. Okay, most of you are welcome po lahat. Okay. Sige po. Okay. Thank you. So, let's start. Okay, here's my screen. Can you see my screen? Okay. Guys, when you enroll, magbibigay kami ng welcome at magbibigay kami ng ultimate guide po sa inyo dito po sa Google Docs. Bakit po ganito? Kasi para nandyan na lahat, i-guide nyo lang. So, I'll just walk you through ultimate access and guide to economy students. Welcome to the economy family. Our ultimate goal is to learn. Take note, guys, our ultimate goal is to learn first. Because we will never be profitable kung hindi natin alam. That's why I congratulate you for joining tonight, because you are here, you want to learn. So your first goal is to what? Can you drop the word learn on the chat box? Learn. Your first goal is to learn. Profitable. Let's maximize the training tools available while we're still active, because after a month, for you to continue active, you need to subscribe 99. So while you're still active, maximize nyo na rin. Marami tayong magagawa sa 1 month na yan. Okay, section 1, introduction. How to log into economy. So bibigay tayo ng link, tapos i-click nyo lang ito, tapos papunta kayo dito sa login sa economy. So for me, naka-auto log na ako. So eto, nakapasok na ako kasi naka-ano na yan, naka-set na kasi. And then after that, how to access Economy Calibrated Academy. This one is very powerful. Please maximize this one, because this is one of the main content. Ito po yung binabayaran ninyo. Yung pinaka binabayaran nyo talaga is the Academy. So how to access? My guide ako dito. Eventually later on, I will walk you through with this one. And then yung video na Bisaya, forgive me, pinalitan ko na yung step-by-step guide para po yung mga, kasi po ang community na I build first is the Bisaya trading community, and eventually marami nang pumasok sa kababayan trading community, so medyo na-mix na po tayo. So for now, lahat ng mga content na ginagawa ko is Tagalog na para lahat makaintindi. So my guide dito, section 3, section 2, how to start. So how to start actually, step 1, paano mag-open ng account. Ito, how to open account. Ay, alam ko to kasi ako yung gumagawa nito. how to open account, how to download MT5, how to link your MT5 so you can start trading. Another step 2 is a webinar on how to trade execution. Paano kapag makapag-start, how to sell, how to buy, and how to do it. And then tonight, maybe I'll share some yung hindi talaga, may iba kasi na hindi talaga sinatsagaan ng panonood. Pero ang advice ko sa iyo guys, tsagain nyo kasi lahat naman ng bagay na gusto tayo maging successful, dapat may tsaga. Okay. Step 3 is Manara. Maraming tatanong sa akin, Sir, bro, saan ko ma-access? May access ba ako sa Manara? Saan? Sabi ko, bro, go back to your Google Docs. Check section 3. So, ito na yung section 3. So, kung paano siya ma-access, how to access Manara. Mayroon akong guide dito, how to open Manara. And then after that, mayroon tayong training about Manara. And then after that, mayroon akong Manara trading rules, which tonight also be discussed if you will have time and if you have more questions about Manara. Okay. Section 3. I am fast. Mabilis ba ako? Or are you still following? Okay. Section 4 is expert trader signal. Ito yung signal na magbibigay sa atin, VIP signal. So, ang gagawin nyo dito is, kailangan nyo kasi i-fill up itong form so that you will accept. Okay, you will accept. Tatanggapin po kayo ng admin natin sa Maynila. Okay? And then after you fill up the form, don't forget to click join channel kasi this is your, like, ito po yung like, yung nag-join kayo, din i-accept lang nila. But before i-accept, tinitingnan nila yung form kung talagang enrolled ba or hindi. Okay? So more likely, it will just take 1 day para ma-approve. But siyempre kung nag-fill up kayo ng gabi, walang tao, so ma-approve siya the next day. Alright? So Solex. Solex is very powerful. This is an app that I use also. Dito ako dadaan para makapapanood ng live trade ni Abdallah. Dito ako dadaan. And then, mayroon din ditong, if you are into stocks, which is, gusto ko i-explore ito kasi napakataas yung win rate na stocks. Alright, sir, if possible, we have Manara settings po, like super trend, hindi ko alam sa dalawa. Okay, dito naman, mayroon naman yan. The trend is, I think, pasok yan dito sa training ko. So, if you watch this one, and then by the way, pasadaan natin tonight para po masagutin nyo. But, actually, lahat naman talaga ng mga question niyo about Manara, may mga trainings na tayo dyan. So, however, please watch it kasi yun naman yung binabayaran ninyo. Kasi please understand na hindi namin matuturo through chat lang. And webinar like this is not every day. So, you might maximize the trainings na binibigay namin sa inyo. Super trend na hindi ko alam yung dalawa. What do you mean super trend? We don't have super trend in term in Manara. Please make it as specific, Ma'am Jean, para maano kita, masagot kita ng tama. If okay. But nonetheless, balik muna ako dyan. Pasadahan natin yan mamaya. Okay, so to download Solex, may instructions dito. And then meron akong complementary trainings which is very, very powerful. Step-by-step guide for beginners, how to start. Actually, nasa taas na to. Sinulat ko lang dito. Manara Training by Coach Eman. So kung nakikita nyo, sa atin base here, we already have 3 Manara trainings. So 1, 2, and here, 3. Pangatlong Manara trainings na. Pero sa loob ng EKA, guys, na maraming training talaga sa Manara. Okay, mamaya ipapakita ko sa iyo. All right. Study trading psychology, which is this one is very powerful, and some of the affiliate, if you want to explore, may affiliate tayo. Telegram, for those stay connected with Telegram, meron din tayo Telegram. All right. So yun yung binibigay namin sa inyo. I hope nakita nyo. I hope na-access nyo kasi yun yung binabayaran ninyo. All right. So let's go to home. Home. This is our home to access EKA. Wait. Kasi leaderboard tayo dito. Let me check. Okay. So, Ito po yung lingkod. Nasa leaderboard tayo almost every week. Glory to God naman. And then how to EKA. EKA, this is Academy, guys. So click EKA. By the way, I suggest if you are studying, use bigger screen. I know na maganda naman yung cellphone gagamitin kung wala talaga. But if you have laptop and other, use bigger screen, okay? Pwede nyo i-watch itong welcome. And then click EKA. Click Forex. Click English. Ito yung beginners. Beginners. Nandito lahat. So please watch all of this because ito yung binabayaran nyo and this is very powerful. Wala siyang shortcut. Okay? After that, you go to advance. Ito yung advance. Tsagaan nyo lang talaga, guys. Tsagaan nyo lang talaga. And then, since na-mention nyo na rin about Manara, actually, nandito si Manara. May mga trainings dito. Kung training lang about Manara, grabe, ang dami. Let me check. Okay? So, you go to EKA, live trading, and Manara. And then, from Manara, you go Forex and Manara. And then from Manara, you can, meron tayong weekly training, advanced training, introduction. So dito pa lang, I suggest, ito yung siguro yung question ni Miss Jean kanina. Watch this one, mga bootcamp. At least, mayroon kayong basic, no? Ito, at itong apat, I suggest, itong apat or itong 5. Kasi ito naman yung binabayaran ninyong academy. Okay? So, marami pa niyan. May mga ano pa yan, may mga advanced method pa niyan. Okay? And then after that, don't worry guys, I will go over to your all questions. Lagay nyo lang. And then meron din tayong advance about kay Manara. Okay? So si Manara is maganda siya if you mix with market structure. Take note of this one. If you mix with for me, support, resistance, and candle. Okay, so nandito. Fibonacci, marami. Trainings, kung trainings lang guys, marami. And then masterclass na rin. Ito yung masterclass like today. Today is Friday. So we have masterclass with Thomas. We have masterclass with Jessica. Masterclass with Edris. Titinan nyo lang yung time. Kasi ito yung mga time nila. So, tayo yung mag-adjust kasi tayo yung estudyante. Alright? So, kay Abdallah. Okay. Pwede nyo kayong dumaan dito para manood ng live trading. Kung hindi naman, pwede kayong dumaan sa tawag nito, pwede kayong dumaan sa Solex. Alright? So, that's for how to access EKA and how to access Manara. Let's go Forex. Manara. By the way, if you are start guys, you need to reset pin. So ilalagay niyo yung 6 digit dito, kayo yung mag-reset, kayo magbibigay ng pin. Alright? Then after that, bibigay niyo yung pin niyo, and then reset, and then back here, and then access niyo sa Manara. Okay? Since ako naman, meron akong, wait, I think may na-open ako na Manara dito. Alright? Alright, okay. I think that's the basic, guys. Shoot your questions. I'll answer your questions, guys. You should throw some questions. To be master, it's better to be sound like fool in a second than to be fool forever. Successful people ask question, and this is for you. Okay. All right, guys. You can throw question. Would you like to open your microphone so that you can use microphone for your question, or you can use chat box for your question? Kasi iba-iba yung concern ninyo for a start. Iba-iba yung areas kung saan kayo naguguluhan. Or hindi ko lang naririnig. Mayroon ba nagtanong? Are you there? Are you hearing me? Naririnig nyo ba ako?
Yes, sir.
Loud and clear pala. Mag-question na kayo. Kasi di ba sa group chat, ang dami yung question doon. Mahirap naman sagutin nga i-explain through chat. And now we are, ano ba? Alright, wala. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great night. Okay.
Sir, may tanong lang ako. Ako po yung bago. Nakausap, nag-enroll kanina. Taga
Welcome po.
KSA.
Welcome po.
Opo. Sir, kailangan kasi hindi ko pa napanood po lahat kasi biglang nagkaroon tayo nitong
Yep, yep.
webinar. So, bago makapag-start ng trading, sir, kailangan mag-open muna ng account sa VT Market. May
Yes,
step
VT
1
Market
and step
is
2 po dito.
VT Market is broker. Like I said, we have steps on how to start forex trading. This one,
Opo.
how to start
Ito po
trading
yun, yung
section.
section 2.
Yep.
Po, section
And
2.
then just follow this one. VT Markets is just optional. Nagbibigay lang ako guys ng guide. Kasi standard yan. Ganito yan guys. Kung dapat pag legit trading or legit broker, dapat yung trading dyan most likely MT4, MT5. Yung mga scam, hindi
Okay.
sila gumagamit ng MT5, MT4. May sarili silang platform. Kasi para ma-manipulate nila. They can shut down their own platform anytime they like. And pwede nilang ipapakita na kumikita na kayo kahit hindi kayo nagtitrade. So that's number 1. Number 2, dito, kayo yung magtitrade. Tinuturuan namin sa inyo paano kayo makapag-start and may mga tools so that mataas yung win rate ninyo. So, yes, we need to open a trading account for sa broker. Ang nire-recommend ko is VT Markets. Yung reason kasi si VT Markets is yung interface na is user-friendly. Compared sa other broker, medyo complicated siya. And subok ko na ito si VT Markets, wala namang problema. Okay, so follow nyo lang to, step 1, step 2, and then if you have questions, you can shoot it to me. Okay?
Okay, sir. Clear po. Salamat po.
Okay. Thank you. Good evening, sir. Crypto and Forex is the same. Iba yung takbo. Very different. Forex is foreign exchange. Nakabase po siya sa pera ng iba. Okay? However, mayroong mga platform na may Forex, may stocks, may crypto. Okay? So, I think it's not the right place for me to explain that. But crypto is Coinbase. So Coinbase is Bitcoin and and altcoins, no? Like Solana, ETH, Ethereum, and other coins. But we are focused in Forex, but we have also mga kasamahan natin na nagtitrade sa BTC USD. Okay? So for me, focus ka muna sa isa, i-master mo yung isa, and then wag mong pagsabayin ang dalawa. Galing ako kasi sa crypto. Sa crypto kasi is usually hype-based lahat. So, hindi natin ma-analyze talaga yung market. So, mas nagustuhan ko yung Forex. Lahat ba VIP signal sa Iran I wins? No. Mr. Al, I think you are not orient na walang 100% sa Forex. Anong walang 100%? Kung may magbibigay sa inyo ng 100%, that's a 100% scam. Okay? So, ano yung average win rate? Best on my test is 70% win rate. 70 to 80%.
70%.
Pero may mga strategies tayo na ginagawa which is papakita ko sa inyo paano siya maging effective. Si VT Markets po ba may multiple TP setting? At least lahat naman. Nasa MT5 yan yung settings. Okay? Multiple TP. Nasa ano lang. Close all lang yan. Modify close all. Paano ba identify yung signal ni Manara para magawa ng order trade? Okay, I'll start with this one. So there are a lot of ways to identify Manara signal. Okay? Manara signal. Let's say for instance here, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, like right here, I'm XEU USD. So I'll start with 1R. Okay, and then double tap. I'm not using double tap. Triangle, I'm not using triangle, but it shows here that the indicators is buy. Technical indicators. Yung basis in technical indicators, guys, kung i-click nyo ito, mayroon siyang technical indicators is mayroon siyang moving average, RSI, and MACD. So that's for yung mga mahilig sa mga indicators. So built-in na yan kang Manara. Okay? So for me, for here, wala siya masyadong because I'm not using this one. But to give you a very good perspective about Manara, mayroon akong tinatawag na, mayroong training nito guys. Actually, if you want to see the video of this one, nandito siya. Section 3, Manara Trading Rules, which is I suggest before you use Manara, gawin niyo muna ito. Manara Trading Rules. So number 1, complete patterns only. Complete patterns only. So it must be complete. By the way guys, ito. Si Manara is pattern-based siya. Okay? So to give you background, if you're going to go to Google and check nyo harmonic pattern win rate, refresh natin para makita nyo. Okay? So si Google to, hindi sa akin. Okay. So harmonic patterns can be successfully strategy. Okay? Success rate is 80%, pero hindi lahat ng patterns are good. Na-mention na dito si Gartley, Bat, Crab, patterns work correctly with more than 85%. Okay. So here, another website sa Google, pwede nating tingnan kasi nag-claim siya dito ng 80 to 90% win rate. I think mayroon siyang backup study with this one. So pwede nyo i-explore. So si Manara Pattern Scanner, hindi siya tao na nagbibigay lang ng signal. Siya po ay AI na nai-scan niya kung ano yung harmonic pattern na na-form sa live trade. Kasi this one is live trade. Ano yung na-form niya? So live trade. Okay? So the pattern must be complete. So paano yan? Kasi normally yung mali kasi sa iba, let me check here some of the patterns that are incomplete. By the way, you can go to monitor. And then you can check here kung ano saan dito yung complete, incomplete. You can play around with the settings. Okay, so incomplete. Let's just say here, incomplete. So this one is incomplete. Okay. So ang entry zone niya is dito. Dapat aakyat siya dito. Okay. So walang trade. Basta incomplete, wala siyang trade. Okay. That's rule number 1. Kagaya nito, incomplete. Wala siyang trade. Kasi dapat dito, akyat sa taas para magkaroon siya ng this one. Dapat the price is papunta dito para magkaroon siya ng complete. So that means it's not complete. Okay? Pag hindi siya kompleto, no trade. Huwag mong pilitin. Okay? So, paano ba yung complete? Okay, this one is complete. Pumasok sa dito, pwede ka pumasok. But it doesn't mean ito na yung napakagandang signal. Technically, ito na yung mga signal na binigay niya. Dito ka mag-entry, dito ka mag-TP. In fact, nag-positive na nga, malapit na mag-TP. However, para mataas yung win rate mo, mayroong mga rules na fina-follow. May mga rules na fina-follow. Okay? So, here. So, this one is complete. Okay? Pwede, but it doesn't mean kailangan mong sabayan kaagad. This one is complete. Pwede. Okay? This one is... Anong ibig sabihin ng fail? Ibig pong sabihin nag-fail si Manara? No. Ang ibig pong sabihin nito is nag-fail yung pattern na hindi siya sumabay. Nag-retrace lang siya dito ng konti, pero kung wala kang SL, pwede ka mag-TP sa TP1. So, okay? So, eto. Trend confirmation. Actually, may video ako, guys. I will not go bataas kasi hindi kasi siya ganun ka-simple lang i-explain sa inyo. So, you might see this whole video para maintindihan nyo yung trading rules. Okay? Trading rules. And then, focus na lang ako sa this one, i-explain ko to later kasi maraming hindi alam kung paano ito gamitin. Move SL to TP entry. Okay? But for now, focus ako sa mga questions po ninyo. Paano ma-identify ang signal? Makagawa ng order. Yun. Angel, aralin mo muna si Manara para ma-identify mo yung mga videos. Okay? Anong time frame yan? What do you mean? So, kung punta tayo dito sa chart, dito makikita yung time frame. 5 minutes. And then close ko to. Sa taas, yun yung ito yung ibig sabihin ito yung gagamitin natin. But this one we'll have a short quiz. This one is complete or not complete? Complete or not complete?
Not complete.
Okay, very good. Sa AI ba high risk is low risk? No, wala siyang factor. Actually, ang risk doon is doon sa lot size mo, yung sa multiplier mo. Siguro you can ask, si AI ba is mataas yung win rate? Of course, mataas yung win rate niya kasi yung computation niya parang calculator. Hindi siya tao. So, when you ask about accuracy, mataas. Pero when you say about low risk ba siya or hindi, high risk, depende. Wala kang manara kasi ang high risk at low risk, kayo yung magti-trade, kayo yung maglalagay ng lot size. Siyempre, kung mataas yung lot size, yun yung high risk. Okay? This one is incomplete. So, no trade, pero malapit na siya mag-complete. But still, even if mag-complete to, I'm not still taking a trade for this one because I have my Manara rules. Like here. Trend confirmation, maski overall. Ibig sabihin nitong trend confirmation, pag tingin ko dito sa example 15, titingnan ko yung trend. So yung trend is weak, so not so strong. And then walang neutral yung trend niya, so hindi natin alam. Based on this one, kung yung trend niya is uptrend or downtrend ang market structure niya. So pwede natin tingnan sa M30. So si M30, makikita natin dito, mayroon siyang binigay na green, that means buy. Based on this structure, so mayroon siyang initial evidence of going up. Mayroon siyang initial evidence that going up. It's good. Kung if you are into M30, so titingnan natin, pwede. Pwede. But the trend is weak. So para sa akin, I'm not going to take of this one. So it must be the trend is good. Ibig sabihin, pag sinasabi dito ni M5 na that the trend is like buy, dapat kang M15 buy, kang M30 buy din. So yun yung ibig kong sabihin, yung trend niya is mayroong mga confirmation sa trend. Okay? So hindi lahat ng binigay ni Manara papasukin nyo. Because mayroon tayong tinatawag na trade rules. Siya lang naman yung nag-i-scan. Kaya lang mayroon tayong tinatawag na mga rules para mas mataas yung win rate mo. Okay. Sir, pasend naman ng rules. Actually, sinend ko na lahat to isa sa inyo, brother. As long as you have this one, nasa sa inyo. This one, hindi ko to ibibigay for the reason na I want you to see the video so that na-explain, makita nyo lahat. Okay? Unfortunately, this one, I cannot give it to you. But if you watch the video, you can take note of this one. All right? Questions? Mga kapatid. Questions.
Wala na po sa ngayon.
Yep. Yeah, bro. Go ahead.
Wala na po. Manonood pa ako sa pagkatapos ng webinar natin. Pag-aralan ko po lahat.
Okay. Guys, may i-share ako sa inyo. Si VIP signal natin, may mga technique yan kung paano siya gamitin. May mga technique. Kaya lang hindi ko ma-share si VIP signal kasi hindi siya pwedeng ma-screen si Telegram na protected. Protected kasi itong mga VIP signal. Pero yung mga free na Telegram pwedeng ma-share. But upon checking right now with my Telegram, we already hit 74 pips profit with our US30. So nakasabay kayo kay US30, malaking profit na itong 74 pips. Coach, my guide pa sa recommended strat sizing. Recommended ko, don't complicate. I'm sure that your question is a newbie question. May mga guide naman dyan, marami sa internet. Mayroon din akong guide dyan, pero I don't want you to complicate. Just use 0.01. Not unless kung capital mo, kung mag-capital ka ng more than 1,000 USD. Ibig sabihin na capital ka ng 2,000 USD. That's the time na sabihin ko sa iyo, pwede ka ng above 0.01. Bakit? Ask me why. Bakit? The lot size is yun yung multiplier mo. 1,000 is to 1,000. I don't recommend that for very, kung capital nyo lang, 100. The more, the bigger dalawa yung multiplier, guys. Dalawa yung multiplier natin sa trading. Si leverage, which is you set up while opening a trade account, and then si lot size, which is you will set up when opening a trade. Okay, when opening a trade or when entering, papasok ka sa trade or placing a trade. So, dalawa yung multiplier mo. Si leverage, pwede mo siyang how do you call this one? Pwede mo siyang i-reset anytime. Punta ka doon sa broker mo, pwede siyang i-reset. The more mataas yung leverage mo, the more na malaki yung kita mo. Now, in return, malaki din yung loss mo kasi mataas yung leverage mo. So, ganun yan. Yung risk, meron siyang kasamang leverage. Now, please understand that pagpasok natin, hindi tayo magaling kaagad. Hindi tayo magaling kaagad. Hindi natin i-foresee na, pero mayroon, marami. Gumamit lang ng Manara, inaral talaga. Mayroon, 1 week lang. Gumaling talaga, mayroon. Pero this is exemptional. Kasi yung goal natin dito first is to learn. Ibig sabihin, if I'm going to advise you, Madam Jean, I'll advise you with 1:100 lang muna. Or 1:1. Low multiply, however, low risk. Kasi, kung high risk kasi, tapos, please understand na since bago pa lang tayo, hindi pa mataas yung win rate natin kasi kung sa Bisaya pa, nagtuon pa galing ta, di ba? Nag-aaral pa nga tayo, hindi pa tayo teacher kasi nag-aaral pa tayo, di ba? So, ang malaking multiplier, lot size at malaking leverage, ang danger dyan, kasi nag-start pa lang tayo, pwedeng maubos yung capital mo instantly. So, yun yung niya, yun yung danger niya. Kaya, apply risk management. So, don't complicate. Ano yung lot size recommended ko? 0.01. Kapag ka bumalik kayo sa akin, sir, nasunugan ako. Isa lang yung tanong ko sa inyo. Anong lot size mo? Pag tinituro, ay, laking lot. I'm sorry, I don't recommend that. Pangalawa, may SL ka ba? Naglagay ka ba ng SL? So, wala. Sir, I'm sorry, hindi yun ang turo namin. Ang turo namin lahat may SL. Okay? SL, stop loss, at saka TP. Alright? Nonetheless, that's a very good questions. Ladies and gents. More questions, guys. More questions. More questions. I think if you have no questions, I would like to go to SL to TP strategy. Okay. Move SL to TP strategy in let's go for gold. In the chart. In the chart lang muna para maintindihan niyo. Okay. Titingnan ko dito mas maganda. Okay. Wait. Okay, euro. Dito na tayo sa gold. Okay. Halimbawa nagbigay si signal ng sell sa gold. Sell means okay, ito. Okay. Halimbawa nagbigay si signal ng sell. Okay. Dito siya nagbigay ng sell. Nasabayan mo. Pumasok ka. Since sell siya, ang target mo dito is ang target ng TP1 is, let's say, ang target ng TP1 is here. So, TP is green. Another TP here, green. So, this is TP1, this is TP2, and this is your, let's say, yung SL mo is dito. Ito yung price ng SL. Ito yung price na ipapasok mo doon sa trade execution mo. Okay. Now, pag sinasabing move SL to TP, okay, listen, this is very powerful and this is very effective. Dito ka pumasok, meaning to say, from this point to this point, nag-positive ka na. Tama ho ba? So pag nag-advise si Move SL to TP, punta ka doon sa trade mo, i-modify mo doon, si SL instead na 2616, gawin mong entry 2608. Bakit? Bakit? Pag na-hit ito, profit ka. Pero halimbawa, bumaliktad yung market kasi wala namang 100%. Pag bumaliktad yung market, hindi makukuha yung SL mo dito, hindi ka magne-negative. Ang makukuha na SL mo is dito lang sa entry. That means wala kang talo. So ang probability mo dito is tabla or panalo. Or ilagay mo dito, konti, dyan. So yun yung move yung. How do you execute that? You execute that in your MT5. So modify your trade, modify, and then kung paano mag-modify, meron akong video about that, so please watch. So modify, and then ilalagay nyo itong bagong entry. Following ba guys? Move SL to entry. Following? Okay, thank you. All right. Following. Okay, this is very powerful. Thank you. Okay. What else, guys? What else do you need? Questions. What else do you need? This one is you can use this one with Manara. Pwede mo siyang hindi kunin si Manara. Halimbawa, dito ka lang. TP1 ka lang. Tapos, hindi nakuha yung TP2 but nag-move SL to TP ka. Titingnan natin kay Manara. Okay. Let's check kay Manara here. Let's check your notification here. No, this one is a very good example. Move SL to TP, guys. Very good example. Dito ka pumasok, nag-positive ka kasi dito na siya. However, kung ipa-follow mo si ang SL nito is nasa 0.92 euros CHF. 0.9282. Yun yung SL. Ang entry mo, ito yung entry zone. Ito yung entry zone mo. So dito sa presyo na ito. Okay? So now, since nag-positive siya, ito, pwede mo siyang i-modify. Yung SL mo, gawin mong ilagay mo siya dito sa 9287. Ilagay mo siya dito sa 9287. How do you do it? Go to your MT5. Long press your existing position and then modify and then change the SL. Lagay nyo dito. Bakit? Bakit ilagay mo? Halimbawa nagkamali, halimbawa bumalik siya, edi at least hindi na-hit yung mo, hindi ka nag-negative. So tabla ka lang. Pero kung na-hit itong first, panalo ka na. Okay, panalo ka na. Pag na-hit itong second, halimbawa, sa second, this one, pumasok yung presyo dito, nag-TP1 ka na. Pero yung itong mo, nasa ilalim pa rin yung SL mo. Halimbawa, hindi nakuha yung TP1, bumalik siya, nakuha yung SL mo. So, na-negative ka. So, hindi ka profitable. Pero kung nag-move SL to TP ka, kung bumalik man siya, at least nag-break even ka, profit ka sa isang trade mo. Kasi, for you to get two position, target 1 and target 2, dalawang entry ito dalawang entry. Alright? Sir, paano malaman kung buy and sell? Good question. Aralin mo kung ano sa tingin mo kung paakyat ba siya or pababa. Paakyat ba bababa. So, pero kung kay Manara ka na nag-follow, mayroong si Manara, mayroon siyang suggestion. Halimbawa, dito tayo sa monitor. Okay. Kung si Manara ka mag-follow, magbibigay si Manara. Halimbawa, this one is sell. Kasi malalaman natin, sell, kasi yung TP mo nasa baba. So that means yung target mo dapat pababa. This one is a very good example. Pumasok siya sa entry, nag-TP na siya, pwede ka na ditong mag-move SL to at least kung anong mangyari, kung hindi man siya ma-hit, kung bumaliktad man siya, hindi ka na negative. Okay? This is part of the risk management. After moving SL entry to Manara manually po. Here you can't do it here. This is just an illustration sa Manara. ikaw pa rin, si Manara is just your guide. Ikaw pa rin, remember, this is manual trading. We're talking about manual trading. Manually pa rin mo nilalagay yung entry mo, yung price na entry mo, yung SL mo, at saka TP mo. Manual mo pa rin ilalagay. Okay? Because this is manual trading. Tama, tama. So kung ipa-follow mo si Manara, may magsasabi naman dito nga buy ka o sell ka. Halimbawa ito, this is a very good example. Kasi kung titingnan mo ito is, ito yung entry zone. Bumaliktad siya. So kung titingnan mo dito, halimbawa hindi na hit yung TP1 mo, tapos nakuha yung SL mo dito, at least hindi ka negative. Break even ka. Okay? So, paano malaman ito sa Manara? Malalaman mo. Kasi magbibigay naman. Sa chart, kung complete lang yung chart mo, let's say, let's go XAU again. USD, gold. Magbibigay siya. Okay. Here. Kaya lang, very neutral. Green means buy, red means sell. So, kung close natin to, isa lang yung ano natin, sell siya. Pero this one is incomplete. Incomplete pa siya. So, no trade with this one. Okay? No trade. Question, guys? Kung wala kayong question, I presume that everyone understands at alam nyo na. Congratulations. Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Okay, sir. Dili lagi makita sa cellphone ang kuan kanang magbuhat kag account sa Manara.
Magbuhat og account sa Manara.
Katong
First things
pare atong
first.
reset pin ganiya.
Okay. Actually, nasa cellphone, sir. Limited lang cellphone gamay, manggod. Mo nang I suggest. Wala kayo magamit nga laptop or computer, sir?
Wala, cellphone lang sir ba?
Cellphone lang. Simple cellphone lang.
Subject kay.
So, naaraman, imo lang siyang yung cellphone mo, sir, imo lang siyang murag i-rotate ba? Rotate. Rotate mo lang. Makikita yan.
I-rotate lang.
Yes. Simple.
Sige.
Basic lang.
Sige.
Pamurag na naubitag sa lida. Rotate man. Niya kung Manara, dili. Sama siya, eh. Okay.
Sige sir, thank you.
Guys, kung mag-trade ta, kailangan natin talaga dito common sense. Mataas yung common sense natin, okay? Sir, kung lot size mo lang is 1, then signal is close to half. Anong gagawin mo? Close mo yung half. TP mo. Yun yung ibig sabihin, or move SL to, regardless of your lot size. Regardless of your lot size. Close half meaning to say, i-close mo na. Kahit nasa gitna pa. Kasi baka mag-ano siya. Ang goal natin, guys, is hindi kumita kaagad ng malaki. Ang goal is maging consistent ka, paano siya gamitin, paano mo i-apply yung close half, move SL to entry, paano ka magiging consistently profitable in trading. Kahit maliit lang yung lot size na yan, pero consistent na naka-develop ka ng winning strategy mo. Naka-develop ka yung style mo, winning style mo, winning method mo. Pag na-develop mo yan, so that means ito na yung technique ko na palagi kong nananalo pag ganito ako. So pwede mo siyang idahan-dahanin, i-increase yung lot size hanggang ma-master mo. And then once ma-master mo na, that's the time na pwede mong i-increase yung lot size mo. Okay? That's the time na pwede mong i-increase yung lot size mo kasi nakuha mo na. Okay? Sir, strong buy, sabi ni Manara. Entry ka agad. No. Like I said, hindi lang si strong buy yung kumbaga titingnan mo. So, tingnan mo yung trading rules ko and then tingnan mo yung mga trainings. Marami siyang mga confirmation sa market. So, hindi ibig sabihin na pag strong buy ka na kaagad. No. Okay? So, Kasi si Manari is instrument siya eh. Kailangan mo talagang aralin para ma-master mo. Okay? So, what else? Any question? You will develop later on your trading rules. Ano ba yung trading rules mo? Halimbawa, ang trading rules ko, dapat ganitong oras na ako mag-trade. Pag ganitong oras, hindi ako mag-trade. Ang trading rules ko is, nakafocus lang ako sa M5, M15, M30, H1. Pinakamataas yung H4. Doon ako titingnan yung sa mga trading rules ko is blah blah blah, dapat ito lang talaga yung lot size ko, dapat ito lang. Hindi ako nag-overtrade, dapat 3 trades lang ako, especially if you do already live trading. Live trading means funded. Ikaw na yung nagkapital ka na, hindi na demo. Alright? What else guys? What else? What else? Let me help you with this one kasi para naman to sa mga baguhan. Nag M1. Guys, please don't be confused with the time frame. Okay? Ibig po sabihin ng time frame, guys, pag sinasabi mong M1, itong isang kandila na ito is 1 minute. 1 minute to 1 minute. Ito matatapos to after 1 minute. Pag sinasabi mong M5, one candle is 5 minutes. Okay? And so on. Pag sinasabi mong H1, one candle is 1 hour. So yan po yung ibig sabihin yan. So yung question is, nag 1 minute ho ba kayo? Depende sa strategy mo. Now, if you are into scalping, so mag-focus ka sa M5. Titingnan mo dito, M5. And then, pwede mong tingnan yung 1 minute, but you need to make it sure na titingnan mo yung M5, M15 to see the market structure. Kung ano ba talaga siya. Uptrend ba siya or downtrend ba siya? Okay, for example here. Okay. Una tayo sa M1. Okay. And then sa M1, nagsabi dito na show. At hindi pa siya complete. Hindi pa siya complete, so no trade. Sabihin na natin complete. Sabi ni M1 is ano yung ibig sabihin ng red? Ano yung ibig sabihin ng red? Ay, sabihin, sell. Okay, sell. So, hindi ibig sabihin, titingnan mo sa M5 kung downtrend ba talaga. So, here, titingnan natin sa M5. It shows that there's no raging lang siya. Kung titingnan mo dito, raging lang siya. In fact, kung titingnan mo ito, mayroon siyang initial evident ng uptrend. So, yung binigay doon is sell. Tapos, pagpunta dito is buy. So, no deal na to sa akin. Kasi hindi nag-confirm si M1. Sabi ni M1 sell. Pero sabi ni M5 is buy. So, this one, no deal na to sa akin. Ibig sabihin, hindi ko magti-trade. Pero, actually, I don't really use M1. Kung M1 is for really scalping. You can use M5, M15, titingnan mo. Okay, M15 naman pwede, pero neutral yung trend niya. That means, nag-consolidate pa lang. Pero long term, pwede siyang, sasabihin natin, pwede siyang, this one, pwede siyang uptrend. Kasi meron na siyang higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This one is so uptrend in a small scale. So, this one alone, kung titingnan ko, dito uptrend, dito uptrend. So, yung trend ko dito, halimbawa nandito, nag-break siya. Yung trend ko dito, pagbalik niya, bias ako sa buy. Kasi nakita ko uptrend si M5 at saka si M15. Lalo na kung si M30, nag-suggest din si M30 na uptrend. Which is here, nakikita natin. So, meron siyang here, nakita natin ang uptrend. So, yung position ko dito is bias ako sa uptrend. Technical indicator, uptrend. Ito. Ito lang. Ang ibig sabihin nito is ito. Okay? Kung titingnan natin dito sa M15, buy din. Neutral. So, hindi siya confirm. Yes, brother. Go ahead. Ay, wala. Aham ra dito siya. Aham. All right. Okay. Sell, sir, CP unsaon pag-modify. Simple lang. Yung nagka-trade mo, long press mo lang. Long press mo lang. Wait. Let me stop ko yung sharing so that I can share. Pakita ko sa inyo. Okay. Let me share my cell phone. Here. Ano ba share screen? Wait, okay. Share. Screen. Allow. Okay. So here's my screen. Let's go to MT5. Let's go to trade execution question. Trade execution question. Let's say I'll go for gold. Nag-trade ako. So yung goal natin dito is hindi para manalo or matalo. Ang goal natin dito is to execute kung paano siya. Okay? Let's say, saan tayo? Let's go for buy or let's go to sell. So let's say I go for nag-buy ako. Ay, not enough pala. Wait. Dito, guys, this is how you modify your lot size. Okay. So nag-buy ako. Okay, done. So buy. So now, ito na yung this one. So if I long press this one, pwede siyang modify your possession. Dito, you can put your SL, what price, or you can put your TP, what price. Okay? Copy. So this is how you modify. This is how you move your SL to entry. Dito mo ilalagay yung bagong SL mo kasi nag-positive ka na. Okay? Now, you want to close the trade? So simple. Close position. Close with profit. O at least nag-profit na tayo ng konti. Oh, 'di ba? So, yun lang. Yun yung paano mag-modify. Nakita mo kung paano siya mag-modify. All right? How many candle in H1? Like I said, guys, H1, ibig sabihin yan is, wait, paano ba ako stop sharing. Ibig sabihin, guys, wala, paano ko, wait. Where's my Zoom? Okay. Ibig sabihin, guys, H1, ibig sabihin, isang kandila, isang oras yan. That's the meaning of H1. So, how many candle in H1? One candle. So, yun yung ibig sabihin yan. So, kaya nga, aralin nyo guys, punta kayo sa EKA. I promise you, I cannot give it all to you in 1 hour. I cannot give it all in 1 hour. Nandito lang ako to help you kung saan kayo na-stuck, ano yung mga questions na hindi nyo masagot. So, that's why I'm here. Okay? We have a few minutes now and then let's end this one. Questions?
Sir, na ako'y pangutana ba?
Yes, bro.
Ang paano ma-link sa live trading ang MT5?
Paano malink?
Oo.
Your question is how to link your broker account to MT5, tama?
Tama, sir.
Good question. Nakatanggap ka ba ng ganito? Nakatanggap ka ba ng sulat? Nakatanggap ka ba ng ganito, bro?
Sige, salamat na ako.
When you join, welcome to blah, 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 and then may link na binigay sa inyo na Google Docs like this one. Okay? So, the answer is here. So, that means hindi mo pa to tiningnan kasi hindi mo nasagot. Actually, guys, natutuwa lang ako. Lahat ng mga questions nyo, nandito naman lahat. Okay? So, like I said, kailangan nyo lang tiyagain kasi you don't opt in for one-on-one coaching. So,
Ah,
yes
siguro
bro,
nakabuhat
follow-up
na ko og
question.
account. Nakabuhat ako og account anang ano ba, pero di lang ko sure kung live trading na ba na.
Makita man nimo demo or kuan? Makita man nimo pag sulod pala nimo daan sa MT5, makita man nimo demo or live. Ano, naka-deposit na ka? Naka-deposit na po kayo, hindi pa?
Wala pa.
Hindi yan
Bali,
live kasi live
bali sa
means
MT5 ko gaagi. Tapos lahi po ning VT Markets na sa VT Markets jud ko moagi na apps. Lahi po
bro,
ang MT5.
bro, listen. Just follow
Mm.
this one and you will be guided. Kasi before ka makapunta sa makalagin sa MT5, kailangan mo ng broker.
Tama.
Okay. So follow mo lang to para hindi ka malito, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Sige, thank you, thank you.
Sige sir. Thank you.
Other questions? Within 1 hour form ang one candle. Yes. Balik ako ng share screen. Kaya nga, tingnan nyo yung si Eka. Nasa Eka naman lahat yan.
Bali,
Yung candle. So, simple lang. Ibig sabihin, 1 hour.
sure dali ba?
Okay. 1 hour is meaning to say isang candle, isang oras yung ano dyan, haba dyan. Haba niyan. Okay, let me share my screen again. This one. Pag sinasabi mong 15 minutes, so from here to this one, isang candle, for this one to be in one candle, 15 minutes ito lahat. Pag sinasabi mong 1 minute, so this one, nagbubuo ito, after 1 minute, it will make another candle. So this one is 1 minute, this one 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Pag sinasabi mong 5 minutes, so this one is 5 minutes. This one 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, masatapos na to, magagawa na ito ng panibagong candle. Pag sinasabi mong H1, this one is 1 hour. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. 1 hour. So what's the purpose of H1 M15? To see the market, the movement of the market in a zoom. Zoom meaning to say very close is M1, M5. And medyo zoom out siya ng konti kasi titingnan mo as a whole kung ano ba yung overall na structure ng market. Kasi isa sa mga principle ng trading is trend is our friend. Like this one, mayroon siyang trend. Part of it, sa inner, is uptrend siya, but the bigger structure is titingnan mo is downtrend siya. Okay? So, kaya titingnan mo kung saan doon. Depende sa klase ng trade. Are you? Are you a scalper? Are you a day trader? Are you a swing trader? And so on. So, if you are more on a day trader, so you go for H1, M30, M15, or M5. Or if you're scalping, M5, M1. Pero titingnan mo rin as a whole kung ano yung overall structure ng market. Copy? Kaya guys, I suggest dito kayo pumasok ko. Eka. Manood kayo ng basic. Basic English. Okay. Nandito. Okay. Dito. Nandito. Market movements, mga pips, percentage, nandito. Okay. Strategies sa mga baguhan, nandito. Micro leverage, di ba? Nagtanong kanina, nandito. Support resistance, nandito. Okay? So, market execution, pending orders, yung mga tanong kanina, paano mag-modify? Ito, market execution, nandito. Spread, nandito. Okay. Comprehensive guide to marketing analysis. Okay. Broker, profits effective, setting up a broker, nandito, setting up. Paano mag-set up, nandito. Setting up ng MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, nandito. So, nandito siya sa ECA. Okay? So, if you are to advance, time sessions, nandito, market structure, coloration, nandito, calculating pips, nandito, reversal patterns, nandito, FIBO, nandito, supply and demand, nandito, support resistance, trading, scalper trader, day trader, swing trader, nandito. So, explain lahat. Trading view, how to use trading view, nandito. Trading plan, how to develop your trading plan. Times and session, ito. So, nandito. Sir, may account na ako sa Solex. Unsaon pag-join sa live trading? Go to Abdallah. Si Abdallah is, punta ka kay Abdallah. May guide dito sa Ultimate Guide. Solex. How to create account. Make sure that the email you use in economy is the email you use in Solex. And then go, i-follow mo to si Abdallah. Tapos i-click mo siya para lang Facebook. Pag-follow mo, ano yung mga nakapost doon. Every 10:30, mamaya may trade siya. Kahapon, grabe. Consistent siya 1 week. 1 week consistent. Positive lahat ng trade. So, pwede kayong sumabay doon. Guys, listen. Paano ma-fast track yung pag-trade yun? Number 1, aralin. Number 2, use VIP signals. Number 3, Manara. Use Manara pero aralin pa rin. Number 3 is live trading. This is the fastest and the easiest way. Pero kailangan dito mabilis yung execution mo. So una, manood ka muna just to feel, aralin mo. And then pwede mo siyang sabayan sa demo account para ma-master. And then pag ma-master ka, huwag mo madaliin guys. Huwag mong madaliin. If hindi mo pa nakuhang maging consistent na nanalo sa demo, huwag kang munang mag-live. Trust me. You will regret later on. Okay? You will regret later on. Kasi iba-iba kasi yung pace. May tao na fast learner, may tao naman na kasi iba-iba naman yung ano natin, yung background natin. Pero ang sure dito is kung matyaga ka na aralin mo, I can guarantee you 100% you will be successful in this one. Kung tyagaan mo lang talaga. Lahat naman ng bagay, yung sinatyagaan natin, di ba? If you treat this one, Forex, seriously, Forex will reward you. This is a very rewarding business. Yeah, do we have a result? Yes, we have a lot of results. Every day. Every day. Hindi man lahat nagka-resulta, pero every day. Yan ang ibig sabihin yan. Kung may isang tao nakakuha, that means posible siyang kunin. Posibleng 2, posibleng 3, posibleng 4. Okay. US 30 pa? Yes, US 30. Live trading. Kung nag-VT markets kayo, US 30 is DG30. US 30 means Dow Jones 30. Top 30 company in the US. So, yun yung US 30. But you can Google that one. Hindi naman kailangan i-spoon feed yan. Okay? Alright. Guys, I think we're done for tonight. Wala tayong oras kasi may webinar pa ako for UAE and KSA. 8 p.m. 8 p.m. UAE. 7 p.m. KSA and Qatar. So, yung mga nasa OFW, you can join us sa GC natin. Nilagay ko doon yung thank you so much for joining and feel free to ask the record of this one. Maybe tonight or tomorrow ibibigay ko. God bless everyone. Thank you.